When I go to roll like hips and take a sip on it, take a trip on it. When I go, you can go slow. Wind it up all night, baby, take your time.
Hey y'all, so I'm gonna start off with the first half wig here, which is Free Trust Equals Drawstring Full Cap Natural Me. This is a texturized hair that blends effortlessly, and this is the natural roller set in the color number 2. I actually reviewed this 3 years ago in 2020, and I actually blended my hair, but ever since I did Outre Nisha H301, I've been wanting to try like other textured half wigs to blend with my natural hair. I got this from Amazon. I'll have it linked below. And you guys can also shop directly from this video. Just press the view products button and you can shop from there or my Amazon storefront. I get credit from either one, so you're supporting my channel. So this is what it looks like on the stock card here. Show you guys. Okay, so I have my hair out here. My hair is kind of straightened out because I straightened it out yesterday for a U-part wig. This is the color here. Yeah, I think it'll be fine with my hair. So I have this long comb. It has a long comb in the front there. And then we have 2 smaller combs in the back here. And we do have a drawstring so you can adjust it to your head. So I have my hot comb here from Conair plugged up, and I have my Baby Bliss flat iron here. So this is pretty intense here. This is pretty expensive. Hairstylists use this flat iron here, so it goes all the way up to $465, but I have mine on $410. And I am going to use this Dark and Lovely Blowout Heat Shield Primer Mist. You can use whatever heat protectant you want to use. I'm gonna spray. I just have my natural hair in a ponytail back here. I didn't braid it down. I just have my leave out taken out. You don't have to use this much hair actually. You don't have to use this much hair, but I'm going to use it. So I'm going to spray my hair. Oh, 5 inches away. Smells good. I like the way my hair looks like as a side part, so I kind of have it set to the side. And I would not advise using half wigs or U-part wigs every single day because it can thin your hair out. It already has thinned my hair out like right here where the combs are, so you gotta be careful there. And if you don't want to use the combs, bobby pins are a good alternative. Got my gray popping right there. And I'm gonna have it out. So I'm gonna use, I prefer black wig caps, but this one's right in front of me. So I'm just gonna put this right here. Oh, never mind. I got a black one right here. I'm gonna use my black wig cap. Okay, I'm gonna put this on. And I'm not gonna put it dead in the center. I'm gonna put it kind of shifted off to the side. Depends on how long this one is. And you can always adjust the amount of hair that you decide to take out. Now this feels tight, so I'm going to loosen up the drawstring. So this, I had some people saying, you know, Outre H301 was too long for them. They do have H305, and it's a shorter version of that. And this is short too, and it has texture. Like, this is cute. And also keep in mind, I'm 6 feet tall, so every style on me just looks shorter. It's cute already. So you don't have to use a hot comb and a flat iron. You can just use the flat iron, but I'm going to try to get my roots together.
Let me know when you turn me around, when the neighbors yell turn down, we keep it going. Like bum bum bum, throw it back then rotation. Cigarettes and that season, shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam. Sending like you.
Can you use heat on this? I don't see like a heat thing on here, so be careful if you try to use heat on this half wig because I don't see any heating instructions on there.
Every time
go ahead and put my edge control on. I'm going to use the Style Factor Edge Booster here. It's my go-to edge control. This look cute, kind of pinned back like this.
Can't you? Can you make me feel like we could do? Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Can't you? Can you make me feel like we could do? Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Jam, 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 jam.
All right, so you guys know I've already tried this on my channel, but I don't think I was kind of afraid to use heat back in 2020. So now I'm not afraid to use some heat. And this is stunning. Okay. I like it even more now. And I like this short length. Keep in mind, like I said, it's going to appear differently on you depending on your height and how long your neck is. I'm 6 feet tall, so everything looks shorter on me. This is gorgeous. This color is perfect for my natural hair. Like, this is so beautiful. Like, I already love H301, but I love this one too. And this is for people who like that look, that textured look, but want it shorter. This is so beautiful. So beautiful. I feel like I like the texture of Nisha more though, the H301. This one feels like it just snags more. And it feels a little bit drier. But for the price and the look that it gives, I'm in love, and I think it's worth buying. Especially if you have type 4 hair or like a coarser texture hair like I do. It blends very well. Like, I don't like blending my hair with silky textured anything. It's got to be textured for it to work for me. And I love this so much. This is a great everyday wig. But depending on how you accessorize it, it can give it a different look. I was like, where's my... Let me see how this looks. I don't know. I feel like I'm giving 90s vibes with this whole look here. Just make sure if you try to pull it up or something, your tracks are covered. This is so pretty. This is a winner. I have no issue. Well, I'll give it a 9. The only issues is this texture is dry and kind of snags a little bit. So 8.5, 9. But outside of that, this is perfect. Perfect for my hair texture. I want to take this off. I might have to put this back on. Okay, so we already know I love this one. And you guys already know I love the Outre Nisha H301. But I just wanted to quickly show you guys the black one. The color number 2, because the one that I showed on my Instagram, which that video, I put it up at the end of, I think I put it up at the beginning of March, I think. That's my most viewed video of all time on any platform. It's crazy. But I showed you guys S1B30, and I wanted to get a color number 2 because I knew that was going to blend a lot easier with my natural hair color. So I got a fresh one off Amazon as soon as I finished that video. And I shouldn't have to, I don't think I got to straighten my hair. So this is so much softer. So much softer than the free tress one. So much softer. Okay, this has, if you guys don't know, 2 combs, small combs, so less damaging than one long comb, I think. And then we have a comb in the back that's a little bit bigger, and adjustable straps. So let's put her on. Okay, I did take it off and tilt it. So the comb that would be like right here is down here. And we'll see if that works better. And I'm putting my bobby pins back in there. Now, I got some flyaways. I noticed this was my first one, so this is consistent. It's like little hairs. It's probably like filler hairs. And I just use my wax stick to tame them down. I need to put a little bit of heat on my bang. Sorry, I got to. Okay, so I put some heat. Ooh. I put some heat on my bang, so with my Baby Bliss Pro flat iron. So now I'm just gonna blend my bang. We got some stuff going on up here. That is weird.
When I go with confidence, when I go to roll our hips and take a sip on it, take a trip on it. When I go, you can go slow, wind it up all night.
Okay guys, I am back, and you saw how I got H301 together, and she is beautiful. Like even more with this number 2 color because it blends beautifully with my natural hair color. This is a lot softer than the roller set one from Free Tress. The only con I had with this wig is that it has so many flyaways at the top, and this was the case with my S1B30 color as well. But this is a winner. Depending on what website you pick it up from, it's going to be like under $25. It just depends on where you purchase it from. I'll have it linked on my Amazon storefront, but you can also shop directly from this video. Just click on view products, and I'll get a small commission if you shop through this video on YouTube. So either way, shop my Amazon storefront through my affiliate links, or shop on YouTube on this video. So either way, I appreciate it. But these are gorgeous. I feel like these are like my signature styles. I feel like they look so natural and without a lot of effort. Making sure all my hair is in place. It's just so beautiful. And I will say, I tried to make my own U-part wig recently, and it wasn't given like this. The half wigs, they're the way to go to. Oh, this looks so good. Like, look at that, man. That color too just blends beautifully with my hair. It's just everything. So this is a great buy. Both of them are. This has a better, softer texture. And if you want something more similar to this but shorter, I think you should pick up H305. So if you don't like this length, you want something shorter, go with that one. But this one is cute too, the roller set one from Freetress. I'm going to wear both of them because they both give a cute look. So a few people ask if I have like a longer video on my YouTube channel, even though I have a TikTok and a YouTube short and an Instagram reel on this particular wig. But just in case you wanted a more long format video that's more detailed for you guys, I have it here for you guys. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.
Baby, take your time, let me know